Jog your horses, please. Put one hand on top of your head. Extend the jog. You asked for that, Rena, personally. Called Withers. Pat the top of your head, please.
Steve is laughing.
Reverse at the jog, patting your head, please.
Patting my head and what?
We don't know if you're actually not patting
it, though. If you break, you're out. If you break gates, you're out.
Everybody turn right here.
Chelsea, you broke gate.
What?
You broke gate. You're out.
I don't even know what that is.
She stopped trotting.
Okay.
So go stand in the center.
I can do that.
Unless Steve tells you otherwise. Go stand in the center. Get out of the way.
Say love bomb. I can do that.